Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have got our Ipsy video for the month of, what month is it? May. So first we'll play our intro. Then we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So I did my base face makeup because nothing in this bag can do that for me. Except for this cute Galactic Skin Glow Sunset Duo I got. It looks to me like it has a bronzer and a blush-ish shade, but I think these are more highlighters than anything. So I'm just going to get a good swatch of these on my fingers and show them to you. These are both going to be a little too dark for me. The pink one maybe not so much, but the other one definitely so. These are not a thing that I'm going to be able to use. Since that wasn't the bronzer I assumed it was going to be, I'm going to go ahead and put on some now. I'll cut this out of the video so y'all don't have to watch. Okay, so the next thing we've got in here that I'm going to go ahead and use real fast is this Wander Beauty Brow Gel. It's clear. Clock my brows. I don't care. They look like trash. But I'm just going to go ahead and sweep this through. Definitely clear. Looks like once it dries, it will absolutely hold them in place. And does a good job. Not really getting any clumps. So I like it. If y'all are wondering what I keep looking at, your girl got a puppy. This is Freya. She is a husky and she is adorable. She may be in videos from time to time, may even be able to be a Freya Picks My Makeup video, but we'll see. She's really young, so she's into everything. The next thing I got that we'll go ahead and use, and it'll be two things, is this colored Raine Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette. It's very neutral, very easy, so no, today's look is not going to be impressive. Sorry. Also got these Makeup of the Day makeup brushes. They say what they are on them, kind of. And then I ordered an extra brush from the pop-up shop. It's a Farrah blender brush, and that's probably what I'll be using for the majority of this look. But I'll use a couple of these too just to see how they work. The other one I got is this Farrah brush. So we're just going to go ahead and do a quick little look. We're going to go here, here, and here in the crease. And just pick them up. Fluff them in. Making sure that there's color, but that it's not too much color. My dog got a hold of a catnip toy. I don't know if that's safe, but she did. So that is why she's going crazy in the back. Taking this darker brown right here, fluffing this in the crease too. This will be our main color. Y'all, my brows are all the way into my crease. This is an issue. I need to take care of these things. But I have not been able to pluck them in a few days. So we're putting this all over here. There's some fallout, but nothing too terrible. About appropriate for a palette like this. It's just an easy, quick little on the go. This is small enough to carry in your purse. So if you get off somewhere and you don't have much makeup with you, you can do a simple little look. Take the darkest brown and do our usual. Stick this in the outer corner. Also, I have always heard that colored Raine was super pigmented. I'm seeing that that's a pretty accurate statement. Even though these are very neutral, they also have a whole bunch of color to them, which is pretty impressive. I like it. So this palette could become a bit of a staple in my routine. I could definitely see that because it's super easy. This one main look that I could see myself using pretty often, you know. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this smaller brush, the Sultry Smudge brush, and grab a little bit of that middle brown and just put that on my lower lash line. on both sides, obviously. Okay. Then I'm going to smudge it out a little bit with this bigger brush. Just like so. And I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here. It's a metallic, and just go ahead and lay that down on my lid. And that is definitely super pigmented. And this is kind of like one of my trademark looks. Y'all know how that is. And I'm also going to go ahead and pop this into the inner corner. I put on new fake nails today, so I'm having difficulties, but it'll be alright. So just popping it on. And sticking it in this inner corner. And there we have a quick little eyeshadow look. Decent, not impressive, but perfectly fine for every day if you needed it to be. We have one more product, but I have to go take care of my eyeliner and my mascara, and then I will show you that one. Okay, so we are almost done. The last thing we have in this box is a mascara. This is by Beauty For Real. Their products have always been pretty good in my experience. I'm going to go ahead and put this on one eye, and then I'll zoom you in so you can see how it looks. And this is actually pretty stinking good. It's a little wet. It already transferred onto my eyelid a little bit, so be careful with that. It's got an interesting brush. Applies more than enough mascara. Definitely gave me volume. And it's not too hard to clean up. So, we'll look at that. It's definitely a good mascara. So, I'm gonna put on my other eye while I talk to you. So with this box, it's all pretty useful stuff. I actually, probably for the first time in the history of me getting Ipsy, got a box that had no skincare, which is 100% alright with me. I'm not just a big fan of skincare. I have a routine that I follow, and I don't like to stray from it too much. So typically I do not need the skincare that I get, though I'm thankful for anything. But yeah, so the mascara is good. The palette's cute and little. The duo, I don't know how much I'll use this. I'll have to play with it. And the brushes were really nice, and the brow gel is definitely good quality. So this was a quicker one than I expected. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.